The Quad project, first of its kind for Tenet, was initiated as a student project. It gave us a first-hand experience in building and understanding custom-made quadcopters. We divided this project into a couple of areas of development. First, electronic hardware and coding. It meant sourcing the right components like controllers, motors, batteries, etc., depending on the need with regards to payload, flight time, navigation, and so on. So in the future, we can fit additional sensor depending on the need. Second, fabrication of the structure. We decided to build our quad out of acrylic sheets, laser cut into the shapes we desired using AutoCAD and finally assembled. The arm extensions are built out of fiberglass pipes. Screws and nuts were used to bolt different sections together. We also used foam padding between the main body and the arm extensions in order to reduce vibrations. During the development, the students worked in tandem with our staff in order to gain a core understanding of the software and the hardware. The quad is based on the Arduino platform, hence they had to accustom themselves with the Arduino development board and its capabilities. As for the structural design, they worked closely with our in-house design personnel to come up with a better understanding of what goes into the design of a quad. They finally paid visit to the laser fabrication facilities when it finally went into production. And finally, it was calibration and fine-tuning for the flight. The inbuilt flight controllers were finally calibrated and pre-flight checks were conducted. And finally, it was flight time.
இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வா இந்த சைடு கொண்டு மேலே தூக்கு மேலே இன்னும் மேலே மரத்துக்கு மேலே போட்டு ஒரே ஒரு ரவுண்ட்